Hey guys, I'm Kat. I'm a coach, speaker and meditation guide, and so many of my followers ask me how I get this crazy hair. So I'm here at Adore Beauty showing you how I get this crazy, messy, wild look. Last night I washed my hair, which I only do maybe twice a week. And after I washed my hair, when my hair was wet, I put the Aveda Confixer liquid gel into my wet hair. So I used a 50-cent piece, chucked it in my hand, rubbed my hands and put it through my wet hair, followed by the Aveda Texture Tonic, which is like a sea salt spray. So I just sprayed that all over my hair, into the ends, into the roots, and then went to bed with my hair wet. And then I woke up this morning, looked like this, and now I'm going to style my hair to give it that crazy voluminous look. Separating my hair, so I just go in small little pieces. I've got short hair, so I also need a small plaited hair straightener, and then I just start going about curling my hair. Trusty curl. And I do this throughout all sections. Sometimes I just do an under curl, and then some parts I make a lot curlier.